How to create an RGB ghost trail in Premiere Pro. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe. More Premiere Pro tips are coming. Once you have your video, add the Lumetri color effect. Go to the curve section and adjust the color channels. On the first layer, keep only the red channel. Drag the green and blue curves all the way down. Duplicate the video, Alt and drag up. On the second layer, keep only green. Lower the red and blue channels. Duplicate it again. On the third layer, keep only blue. Turn off red and green. Change the blend mode of the second and third layers to screen. To create the trail effect, offset the layers in time. Shift the second layer by 4 frames and the third layer by 8 frames. Trim any extra footage and you're done. If you want more Premiere Pro tricks, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.